Subscribe to the channel, subscribe now.
Anything possible.
You already know.
You already know.
T&D Eatz.
Let's
go.
If I had a mansion or a box, if I had a little or a lot, like it, love it, hit it, they gon' watch me. Like it, love it, hit it, they gon' watch. Like it, love it, hit it, they gon' watch. Like it, love it, hit it, they gon' watch. Like it, love it, hit it, they gon' watch me. Like it, love it, hit it, they gon' watch.
They gon' watch me. 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 What it do, YouTube? It's your girl T, and we back with another video. So we over here having a little seafood boil. Let me tell y'all. Let me show y'all what we got going on. So here is our food, and it looks delicious. Sister came through with the seafood. She got the scallops over there. We got the seafood right here. We got a little bit of butter left. We got the fish right here. Don't play with us. Seafood bowl on the way.
Alright, Joe, so I'm at the nail salon getting a refill. I had to get that Christmas stuff off my nails. My sister at the nail salon with me. First time going to the nail salon of the new year. And my birthday Aquarius sister. She over there getting her feet done. I was supposed to only get her polish changed on her feet, but now she is getting her a pedicure and then she's gonna get her nails done. I'm just getting a refill, my eyebrows tinted and waxed. Yep, that's about it. I'm just sitting here chilling. She going back there to get my stuff for my eyebrows, and I'll show y'all what we gonna do next and what it look like when we done. Cause I brought them to the nail salon before. I don't think I want to say it again. So we'll see.
Alright, y'all. So we just left the nail salon. My eyebrows look good. My nails do too. She cute or whatever. Fingernails do too. They cute. Period. Big Aquarius energy, not the little one. Yo, why is it that when the New Year's come, everybody just think about Aquarius? Like, the Capricorns get overlooked. I feel so bad for y'all. Because they really waiting for us, period. They waiting for us to pop out. Because they don't know what, you know, what to expect. You know, they don't know how we going to pull it off. They trying to figure it out. So, you know what I'm saying? We coming there. Stay tuned. Good morning, you guys. Happy Wednesday. So, today is Wednesday, y'all. And it is crazy. So, what? Monday is snow. Monday night, it starts snowing. Well, Monday in the afternoon, it starts snowing. And then, it landed all the way to yesterday at 1 p.m. And y'all, it's so icy out here. It is crazy. Look, my car door. I came out here this morning to start my car. I opened up my car door, started my car, closed my car door. Look, now it won't even open, y'all. So, hopefully it ain't broke. Then I see some frogs all up here by my windows. But then I'm like, how did it open up the first time and now it don't want to open up again? So, that's my morning. This trash. I eat all that. But yeah, y'all. This is what my morning is looking like. And I'm nervous, baby. I'm nervous to drive. But alright, y'all. I wanted to come and tell y'all that. Like I said, it's crazy out here. And I'm going to get to work safe and as fast as I can. And I'm going to pray, and I'm going to pull off, so I'll see y'all later. I ain't even put no earrings on, baby. It just was like, come outside. You got to go. But I'll talk to y'all later when I get to work safely. Yo, so I've been at work for a couple of hours. I did tell y'all that I was going to... I was going to pick up my camera when I came in, but it was already a lot going on. I was on the phone with my sister on the way to work, and then my dad had called me when I got in the office, so I was talking to him, asking him
some questions and telling him a little bit of things. And he was telling me how I sent him a video of my plant that I have here at work, how it's growing. And he said that it really looked nice and I did a great job. So I was showing him that. And y'all, so why I cannot get into my car? The door is frozen. My driver door was frozen. So I went out this morning to start my car up. And I opened up my driver door. It was a little icy or whatever, but I opened it up, started my car, closed it, came back in the house, finished getting ready, and I went to go get back in the car so I could pull off and come to work. Baby, my car did not start. I mean, didn't start. It wouldn't open. My door didn't open, so I had to go to my passenger side and climb through the car. So hopefully when I leave today, it don't be like that because I parked in the sun. I am going to go out there and see, but I'm going to show y'all my flower. Look at my flower, my poinsettia. I got some little, I don't know if y'all can see it. You see it? The little buds down there growing. And then I have some up here growing. And it's just doing really good because I think this is a seasonal plant. So I'm really shocked. It's really growing. I got them growing hands, y'all. Like, I got them growing hands. I will make stuff grow. But I just sent him a video this morning of my flowers that I have at home. So I'm going to call him later and see what he think about those. Because my dad was with me when I got my flowers at home. He bought my flowers for me. So, yeah. And then this one at work I got from one of my employees. She gave it to me for Christmas. So it's now, what? Almost the third week in January. About to be the third week in January. And my flower is still holding up. And I'm happy about that. But I'm about to go outside and let's see if my car open. Okay. Like I said, I'm going to come out here and see what's going on. Nope, it still ain't opening, y'all. Now this one frozen too. My passenger door. I'm in my back door. I think my key died. Alright, my passenger door open. Alright, my back door open. Alright, this door open. Yo, if I can't get my driver door open, I'm gonna be so pissed. Oh, it opened. Woo! Yeah, I'm about to get back to work and look over some more applications and hire some more employees because we need them. We really, really need them. I mean, we do and we don't, but you know. Who don't need employees? Who don't need to hire people? I got a little dry spot on my nose. Y'all see it? But yeah. I think I'm going to change my hairstyle too this week. And look, I got a great piece of hair, y'all. That's not from... Now, this part right here is not from the edge control. This is a great piece of hair. In my edges. Baby, I'm Swiss. I'm Swiss. Because I know I'm not that old. I'm only 29. Baby, why do I have gray hair? I gotta get my life in order. Ain't that what Peach McIntyre said? But yeah, y'all, like I said, I'm going to get my work done. Because I gotta get some work done. And I'll talk to y'all later. Good morning, you guys. So today is Thursday. I am at the office. I am about to what was said. Oh, I need my money. I'm about to turn everything on. Turned everything on so far. And nothing really major happening today. Today is Thursday. I get off early on Thursdays. So, yeah. That's what I'm here doing. I love when Thursdays come. Because I get off early. It's like, nah. I don't have nothing to hold y'all up with. I see. I guess I gotta put y'all over here on this side. Or whatever. Period. I don't like that angle though. That's the only reason why. Maybe because I don't need y'all seeing everything in the office. You feel me? I don't need y'all to see everything. But I guess that's what y'all like to see. Oh yeah, I ordered us some mouses for the computer. Because baby, don't nobody want this cord. And then the other manager, her computer mouse is messing up, so I ordered us some. Period. And also, y'all too, I ordered some stuff off of TikTok. I cannot wait for it to come. I ordered a whole bunch of stuff off TikTok, but I don't know how long it's gonna take to get here. Like, some of my stuff is in Hong Kong, and we gonna see how long it take to get here. I ordered a lot of stuff. I'm not gonna lie. I ordered a whole bunch of stuff, but I ordered a whole bunch of like cheap stuff because I didn't want to go spending like $20-something, $30-something, and I don't like how the TikTok shop run, or I get beat, or whatever the case may be. So I ordered a whole bunch of stuff. My cart came up to almost like $45 or $50. So we're gonna see, you know, what it looked like, so we could do an unboxing, so we could, you know, so I could show y'all what I got. But yeah, that's it so far. I'm about to, like I said, start doing this work. I was supposed to pick up the camera yesterday when I got home, and I forgot. Like, it was so cold yesterday. All I did was get in the house, I ate some food, got in the shower, and got in my bed. Like, I didn't do nothing. I was supposed to clean up my house yesterday. All this stuff, I didn't do none of it. So today when I get off of work, I gotta do a little bit of running around, my little Thursday running around that I do every week. And then I have to and then I'm gonna go home and like, cause I did laundry before New Year's, right? And Dom did not put up his clean clothes, so they're sitting on a chair. And now it's to the point that I'm about to wash clothes again, and he still didn't put his clean clothes up. So I need to go in the house when I get done today and pick up all the stuff around the house, put it where it need to be. So when I get off of work on Friday, all I gotta do is clean up the house. Saturday, wash the clothes. Sunday, chill. Yeah. Or, I'm lying, I might take the clothes tonight and just go ahead and wash them and get them out the way. I might do that instead, because the house is not really dirty. Dom cleaned up the living room, so it ain't like it's dirty. It's just he got to put them clothes up. He bought me a new pair of sneakers because my birthday next week. So he said that was my first birthday gift, and I never put those up. He bought himself a pair, so they just in a box, in a bag, in the room. So I need to put that away, put his clean clothes away. Then there's not gonna be nothing on the chair. Make sure all the little stuff is picked up, the little dirty stuff is picked up Probably like some little miscellaneous socks, I ain't gonna lie. And put them in the basket. And I might just wash the clothes tonight because it's supposed to snow tomorrow. I forgot. I'm not gonna be able to wash clothes tomorrow. I mean, I probably could, but I don't know how. I don't know how the weather gonna be. Let's see if it's still saying it's gonna snow. Winter weather advisory. Why? Why you can't open? Let me see if my regular stuff open because, baby, let's see, what is the weather? For the week, because they're gonna just give me the day. I need the week. Because why the computer acting like, you know what I'm saying? Did the internet go out? Baby, why our internet flashing all that time? So, let me fix this internet. Let's see. It's flashing. So I'm gonna have to unplug it. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 30 seconds. Sometimes we do get power outages around here. That is one thing I hate. And it's crazy because it's always up here like at my work. I said at my work. At my job that it does this. So let's give it a little bit. To reboot back up. Yeah, let's give it a little bit to reboot back up. I don't have time. But y'all, I'll get back to y'all in a minute when I fix this stuff because it's crazy. Hey y'all, I know y'all can't see me right now. Oh, hey y'all, my plant. Little pieces of my plant dying. I'm about to go start my car. It is snowing outside, y'all. It is snowing. I'm gonna just throw some sneakers on so I could go start the car. They want us to go to work in this snow. Yeah, this is crazy, y'all. They want us to come to work in this snow. I almost fell coming to the car. Alright, y'all, so I am officially leaving for work. Oops, I tapped this van. Oh, hold on, y'all. Let me get this together. Let me put this in here. I turned that on because I thought he was riding with me.
Yeah, y'all, so I'm on my way to work. And it's snowing. Snowing up chill. Snowing up chill. Hopefully it's not that bad because you know how they don't clean parking lots as fast as they clean the main streets. So hopefully Dom came and cleaned my car off for me. So we're gonna see. I'm about to take my headphone out. I was on the phone with my sister this morning and I was leaving out for work and she hung up on me. She was supposed to talk to me while I drive. But it's okay. Nobody knows you like I do. No. Don't crack it up. Oof. All that snow on my car. On the windshield wipers. Let's go, y'all. Let's see if I can make it. Yo, they ain't even do the main roads or nothing yet because it said it's gonna snow all day. Like, I live up on a hill. Goodness. I haven't drove in snow in like almost 2 years. I'm not trying to drive fast or nothing. There go the plow truck down there. You need to come up here. I'm stopping way back here. Oh. Oh. That was fun. Let's see. I don't know why I'm so nervous. I used to like to come outside in the snow, but since we haven't had none in a while, and this is my first time driving this car in the snow, baby. I'm trying to figure this car out. We in this car gotta be one, okay? Driving like this, me and the car gotta be one. I was gonna go the back way that I usually go, but it's too windy, too hilly. Baby, I'm not going. I'm going the long way. I'm going the long way. I'll get there when I get there. But I'm going to get there. And I'm going to get there safe. It was an accident up here. So now we got to make U-turns, I think. I hope everybody okay. I got off of work early. I'm on my way to go pick up Dom. I got to go to my mom and dad's house to pick up my mail. That's what I was about to do when he started accident. So I don't know. Hopefully, whatever is going on up here is okay. Like, baby. Can we make a U-turn? Okay, let's see. Why was both of y'all just sitting there at this point? They don't do well with snow. I should have went there to the Spanish place and got some food. And they about to hit each other. Okay, I guess they not moving, so I go. Alright. People don't know how to drive in the snow, y'all. That's why you take your time and pay attention. So all these cars coming. But yeah, y'all, so I got off of work. I'm about to do that. So I'm gonna get to y'all when I get to my next destination. when it snow real bad in certain places and certain areas, I know we do it around here. When it snow real bad, like right now, it's not that bad to do it. But when it snow real bad, we just use the street lights as a yield. We don't really like it's crazy up here, it's slippery. We don't usually stop at the lights when it snow real heavy. I don't know why my it didn't even want to stop right then. I don't know why my headphones keep connecting and unconnecting and connecting and reconnecting. And then I got a hill to go down there. This heel. Okay, we made it up the hill. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna call y'all when I'm getting in the car, or I'm gonna get back to y'all when I get back in the car. So y'all, we are at the market. I'm getting some noodles because I'm cold. Dom wanted to come and get some more mixed vegetables to put inside of the beef stew. And I think I'm gonna get probably like a rotisserie chicken. Chicken smells good in here, so I'll probably just put it in my noodles. I don't know, but it smells good. I'm hungry. Dom about to get, I don't know, some beer. What's that? Orange what? Orange Street wheat? Orange Street wheat. Ew, that joint probably tastes nasty. Alright, y'all, I'm still back on the prowl. I want something and I want something good. Like, I didn't know they had this street taco kit for $14. But then I seen this black pepper steak. Kinda look good, but I don't know. Got the little glasses up there. Oh man. This all cold, so I don't know about that. Alright, y'all, so it is the next day. Today is Saturday. I just got done cleaning up the house and, you know, getting the stuff prepared for my birthday, because my birthday is on Thursday. And I'm sitting here having a little drink, drinking some what I'm drinking, Smirnoff. That's what I'm drinking now. I think that's what I'm drinking. So, y'all, like I said, I'm in the house. Today is Saturday. And, so, yeah. I finally got around to cleaning up everything. I threw away a couple of, like, shoes and stuff like that I don't wear. Probably sometime next month, I'm going to go through my clothes, throw some more stuff like that I don't wear. Revamp some things, get ready for 2024 in my future. I'm about to be 30 years old. My birthday is next week. So, yeah, it's time to, like, you know, grow up, mature, get dressed all the time, you know, be more business casual, you know. It's time to get this money. But I'm just chilling. I wanted to end this video off. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with anyone and everyone. Let them know what your girl T and your boy D is over here doing. We love y'all, and we'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.
C&D Eatz.
Let's
go.
If I had a mansion or a box, if I had a little or a lot, Like it, love it, hit it, they gon' watch me.